I'm gonna take you to an event with me. It's the event of Gushcloud Philippines. As you can see, I'm in my full makeup for their Halloween party, Synth and Stardust. So come with me!
Whose rockstar vibes have stolen the show tonight. So they and Teresa. Alright, congratulations. Wow. Team Stealer indeed. Congratulations. You have your prize right here.
This is a last minute look. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of me bringing you to my blogger events, and now, yesterday we were in Manila for the Gushcloud Halloween party, and now we're in SM Telabastagan in City, Pampanga for the Chubs Chasers opening. I'm so excited for this one because I'm a steak person, so let's see if it's really good. So I'm just waiting for my parents and my sister to go here, and we're gonna eat in Chubs Chasers.
In Chubs Chasers, the word diet is out because all the food that they are serving are the food that we really love and the food that we avoid when we're in a diet. Compared to Manila, there are a few Halloween parties in Pampanga. That's why it was so nice that Quest arranged a Halloween party that adults can enjoy.
Nauwi kami sa isang Gushcloud. Hi! 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 Follow her, Rydison. Wag na yan, like aso.
Everyone was looking at me with this look, so I just grabbed my last bites and I just made it worse. Now off we go to Philippine Airlines here and party. The party started with a ticket giveaway.
Instagram handle. Instagram. Pink style. Follow her.
Hello! My Instagram is Pampanga Traveler.
Ito. Wag nyo na i-follow. Follow.
10 days for prizes with a special announcement.
To avail of our special year-end Synth sale. Can I ask everybody to find their roommates? So we'll need groups of 6.
We were challenged to guess the shooting locations of movies and series. I love how competitive my groupmates were, but unfortunately we lost. After all the fun, they gave away round-trip tickets to different places in Asia and in the Philippines. I was honestly so jealous because everyone was winning and we were there sitting.
Really?
Good job!
Thank you. Yung rason, ba't nanalo ako?
Yeah, thank you please for coming. It's a very big event here in Clark. So, it's a vlogger flight of Philippine Airlines. So it's a convergence of vloggers around the Philippines from the north, from the south, and Mindanao. It's all here in Clark.
Now it's time to party because the night just started. Everyone had so much fun and we got to book our domestic and international flights from both here and seat sale because we were the first ones who knew about the sale.
unfortunately, it's already 8:36 p.m. and my event was supposed to be at 7 p.m. in Makati. And I'm still here in UST. I just got here in UST from Pampanga. It was really so traffic, as you can see. So I have no choice but to miss this event. It was actually the launching of Lazada's 11/11 sale. I was really looking forward to being in this event, but I left Pampanga at 4 p.m. and I just got here, so I don't know. Now all I have to do is to look for a place to eat dinner in. So let's see. So I'm now here at 1919 Grand Cafe in Binondo. I told you a while ago that I was gonna look for some place to eat dinner here, and eto, nandito ako because I wanted to see it kasi my sister sent me the photos of this cafe and it was so nice. I feel like it's a cafe in theresesohere, ganon. So let's see here if the food's okay. The struggles of vlogging and vlogging. You can't eat your food hot. You have to wait for everything and just wanna eat. Still waiting for one more here.
We ordered so much things. First, we have the California dumpling, kung pao pasta, herb chicken parmesan, mushroom soup, chocolate cake, and caramel macchiato.
Kumakain pa rin ako ngayon, pero ito, nag-edit pa rin ako ng Korea vlogs ko. I know it has been some time since I was in Korea, but I'm trying my best, guys. I'm really trying my best, and I'm on the process of learning so much things on how to edit your video faster. I'm so thankful that there are so many creatives who have been sharing their stories on how they started with us. Super inspired ako with them, and I hope someday I would be like them, sharing a part of their self to their viewers. I know it's really different. I showed to you guys different events. I know it's kind of boring na puro events yung pinakita ko, pero I showed that to you kasi I wanna show you our life. I know it's all events, it's all picture-picture lang dun sa mga pinakita ko, pero behind those events, madami kaming gagawin with our laptop, with our phones, with our camera and everything. Super hirap, pero we keep on doing this because we want to share a deeper connection to our viewers and our readers. Super. Someday, I hope I would be like my inspirations like Joanne Kim, who did a 365-day vlog na parang buong 365 days niya, binano niya kasi every single day yung content niya iba talaga, hindi nag-uulit-ulit. Super galing, super idol ko siya. And someday, I hope I could be like her. I could share a part of myself to my viewers and share a deeper connection na parang kasama niya ako every day. So I hope I could do that, and I hope you keep on watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thank you. Good night.